This lesson video will focus on determining whether an expression is a factor of the given polynomial expression or not. So just like when you are asked to get the factors of a certain number, say for example, what are the factors of 36? So we have 36 times 1, 12 times 3, 6 times 6, 9 times 4, and we have 18 times 2. So these are the factors of 36. Let's say you are asked to verify if 3 is a factor of 36. So ang tanong sa inyo, is 3 a factor of 36? So to check, you can just do the mental math kung madali lang para sa inyo yung tanong. Kahit mental math, kayang-kaya to. But sometimes, we still have to use our scientific calculator just to verify it. What do? We divide 36 by 3. Pag hindi decimal number yung sagot ng calculator, ibig sabihin 3 is a factor of 36. And sometimes we use the long division method like this. 36 divided by 3. So let's do the long division method. 3 divided by 3, we get 1. 1 times 3, 3. Then perform subtraction here. We get 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3, 6. Then we get 0 here. So since the quotient doesn't have a remainder, then we can say that 3 is a factor of 36. So that's how we check whether a certain number is a factor of a given number. But when it comes to polynomials, when it comes to expressions involving variables just like this, it's different. Paano natin malalaman kung itong given na expression na to ay factor nitong given na polynomial expression? And that will be the focus of this lesson video. So what is the factor theorem? So let P of x be a polynomial if P of C is equal to 0, where C is a real number, then x minus C is a factor of P of x. Conversely, if x minus C is a factor of P of x, then P of C is equal to 0. So pinaghiwalay lang yung dalawa. In simpler words, class, say for example, when you substitute the value of C of this expression in the polynomial expression P of x and you get 0, then we can say that this expression is a factor of this polynomial expression. Again, kung isa-substitute nyo yung value ng C dito, wherein in this case, it's negative 1, right? Kung isa-substitute nyo itong value ng C dito sa P of x at nakuha nyo 0, then you can say that x plus 1 is a factor of this expression. Okay, let's try it. Here, you are asked to determine whether x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3 or not. So first step is to identify the value of C. Since the given is x plus 1, then the value of C here is negative 1. This is written in a form of x minus C. So this is equivalent to x minus negative 1. That's why we have negative 1 as the value of C. Then, we simply replace the variable x in P of x by this value. So we copy first p of x. Then replace x by negative 1. Then perform the necessary operation. Negative 1 raised to 3, it's negative 1. Negative 1 raised to 2, it's positive 1. Simplify, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, plus 5 times 1 is 5, copy minus 3. Negative 2 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. So since we get 0 here, we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3. So we use 3 dots for therefore. Okay? So as simple as that, class. Let's have another example. Determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 minus x raised to 2 minus x minus 8 or not. So identify first the value of c. The value of c here is 2. Let us replace the variable in p of x by 2. Simplifying, 2 raised to 4 is 16 plus 2 raised to 3 is 8 minus 2 raised to 2 is 4, copy minus 2 minus 8. Then perform the necessary operation. It's 10. So since we got 10 here, therefore, x minus 2 is not a factor of x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 minus x raised to 2 minus x minus 8. So that's it for example number 2. Let's have the last example. Again, identify first the value of c. So in this case, it's different, class. The numerical coefficient of this term is not equal to 1. So you still have to equate it to 0 and solve for x. Again, if the numerical coefficient of this term in x minus c is not equal to 1, then you have to equate it to 0 and solve for x. So perform the addition property of equality. We get 2x equals 1. To get rid of 2, we have to divide both sides of this equation by 2. Then we get 1/2 as the value of c. So copy p of x, do the substitution. Simplify this first. 1/2 raised to 3 is 1 over 8. Next is to simplify this. 1/2 raised to 2 is 1/4. Then we copy this first. 2 times 1/8 we get 2 over 8 plus 5 times 1/4 is 5 over 4. Negative 4 times 1/2 is negative 4 over 2, or it's negative 2. Then copy minus 3. Just make use of your scientific calculator to simplify this. It's negative 7 over 2. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial expression. Okay? That's it for the factor theorem. It's very easy, as simple as that.